Hi, I'm Martin from Multipipe, and today we'd like to talk about our superb range of the modular riser system for MLCP pipes. Now, there's a whole range of fittings available: male irons, female irons, T-pieces, 45s in a stainless steel body. And the jointing system on this application couldn't be any easier with a simple clamp and ring. What makes this a little bit different to other manufacturers out there also, there's no pipe work required between each joint if necessary, so it's space saving as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to attempt to press a piece of pipe onto a fitting and assemble it onto a T-piece. So let's see how we get on. So on this section here, piece of 90mm pipe, we're going to physically press the pipe and fitting together and then assemble it onto the T-piece. Now, no need to try and work at high level with a press and the weight of a press gun. With this system, it's simple as we're just going to undo the clamping mechanism once we've pre-assembled that we know where we're going. We'll simply remove the pipe and the O-ring gasket, and then we're just going to make the press on the bench over here. So as with all MLCP pipes, it's important that we prepare the pipe before we make the press. So on this 90mm pipe, we've cut the pipe fair and square, we've beveled the pipe, and then we'll insert it into the pressing section and ready to press. And we're going to press with our large pressing tool and our 90mm pressing chain. So we're going to assemble our pressing chain around our pressing body, sliding it all the way down, making sure that we're butted up against the white collar. With our pressing chain in place, we're ready to make the press with our press tool. Remove the pressing chains, and we can physically see the pressing marks on our press joint. So once our press is completed, assembly couldn't be easier with a simple clamp and O-ring sealing system. All we're going to do is place on board our O-ring seal, sits on top of the stainless steel body, place our press section into place, and then use the locking collar, tighten up the nut, and use our preset torque wrench to torque to the right setting. Simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.